So exit polls are Modi polls, says Farooq Abdullah. More reactions coming in. Akhilesh Yadav has said that the exit poll companies are working for the booth management of the BJP.
हमारा एग्जिट पोल ये कहता है कि सबसे ज्यादा सीटें इंडिया गठबंधन उत्तर प्रदेश में जीतेगा। हमारा एग्जिट पोल ये कहता है कि सबसे ज्यादा सीटें इंडिया गठबंधन उत्तर प्रदेश में जीतेगा। हमारा एग्जिट पोल ये कहता है कि सबसे ज्यादा सीटें इंडिया गठबंधन उत्तर प्रदेश में जीतेगा।
So Akhilesh Yadav saying that our exit polls say that we are going to win. Farooq Abdullah also going on to say that these are Modi exit polls. This was a claim that was made by Rahul Gandhi as well yesterday. There are some of the leaders of the India bloc who say that they have the Janta poll and the Janta poll is giving 295 plus to the India bloc. More breaking updates coming in. Key huddle at JP Nadda's residence. Top BJP leaders are present for this meeting. Rajnath Singh, Ashwini Vaishnav are also present for the meeting. Amit Shah is also in attendance. My colleague Pragya is joining us with the inside scoop of what's happening. Pragya, we were discussing on one hand, the opposition leaders were busy dismissing the exit polls. On the other hand, the BJP seems to be strategizing. A meeting taking place at JP Nadda, the BJP national president's residence. What's expected today? Who are the leaders who have arrived?
So, Piyush Goyal has just arrived along with Rajnath Singh, who arrived 10 minutes earlier. There is Tarun Chugh, who is National General Secretary, also Shiv Prakash, National General Secretary Organization, and also Amit Shah, Union Home Minister, was already here. Mr. JP Nadda is also present in the meeting, as this meeting is going on at his residence. And, Ashwini Vaishnav is also here. The top BJP leadership is present at the residence of National President of BJP, Mr. JP Nadda. Lot of, brainstorming that is going on right now. The people needs to also be thanked after June 4th for reposing faith in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's policies and leadership. This is exactly what has been deliberated upon in this meeting, we have been told by the sources. We have also been told the preparations need to be at such a level that it should reach each and every voter and each and every resident of this country. There are celebrations that will be, that will be held by the state unit of the BJP as well, along with the Delhi, where we may see a very large roadshow of Prime Minister Narendra Modi thanking the voters for reposing faith in him. Along with that, there are so many other strategic decisions that needs to be taken.
Okay.
There's deliberation. There will be deliberation on allies. There will be deliberation on the number of seats that they are getting, the exit poll that the numbers they have giving, and also their own surveys, the numbers they have been receiving. Along with that, there are assembly election in Odisha as well. So all eyes will be there on that also. Arunachal, they have won handsomely, and SKM is there on ally, and there is jubilation in BJP camp, as we can see, and all top ministers who are present in Delhi are here. This is the VIP address right now in Delhi. Mr. JP Nadda is having
the BJP present there for this meeting. A lot to deliberate upon. Pragya will continue coming back to you through the day for those updates. Quick break now. We'll be right back.